okay right, it's okay right here, it's okay right here, it's okay right, it's okay right here, it's okay right, okay right here, it's okay right, it's okay right.
For Mashalela.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am Deadfu, mashallah. If you're here for the first time, please feel at home and enjoy. And if you're a regular honey, you know I've got endless love for you. So this is a good Vlogtober, and yeah, we are happy. So it is a new day. You wanna into the vlog. I'm not starting the vlog today, but it didn't have a proper intro, so that's why I made this intro. But I'm gonna take you back to yesterday when I was preparing for a race, for race day, to taking you to the actual race day. And then today is the day after. It's Sunday, and we're going to the beach with my sister. This is how I look. I'm gonna give you like the full fit, but it's a dress. And then right now I'm gonna have breakfast in but I don't want to do too much because I don't want to be full and then even I'm cover in my bikinis, so yeah. But this is quite a lot. So we have breakfast. Well, my sister already had her breakfast downstairs, but Mina, I'm actually not gonna have these, but I'm showing you guys what they gave us. So there's okay, it's like a croissant, a muffin, and I'm not sure what that is. I think it's like a scone from the smell. But I don't think I'm gonna have this because I'm funny. What's this? I'm funny. Yeah, I'm connecting. I'm funny mkaba for the beach, and then kunema red planner. It's 2 of them, and then muesli and yogurt, fruit bowl, yogurt nayo, so a fruit salad, snacks, energy bar, peanuts, a mini cookie. Okay, I don't know what the spoon is for, but I'm guessing it's for, oh, okay, so these are actually fruits. Let me open the whole thing. And then in here I'll have an apple, a banana, and an orange. And then what else? Yeah, that's just about it. But I think I'm gonna have the fruit only because I don't want umkaba, and we're about to look good. Let me try to give you guys just that. I don't know, but I am gonna give you guys the full outfit here. We look so cute. So guys, I'm taking you with me to the beach, but right now I'm gonna roll my clips at the past few days. Enjoy. It's the day before race day, Kesana, but I just feel like everything is straightforward. So I'm gonna talk to you guys about few things that I find odd, this is my first official race, even though, like, if you know me, I'm very like active in terms of sports and things like that too. So I've just been thinking about it, and I'm like, actually, girl, what's up? Like, how come this is your first race? Because if you know me, guys, okay, you guys didn't know me back then, but yeah, we too have always just been the girl who runs, who do all the athletic programs and everything, and until now I've always been that person. So this is shocking, but I'm excited. So anyways, we decided to grab something before we head home because it was late, and before we took our ride we headed to Kauai and then we got smoothies. Well, our bestie and I, big iPhone, so myself and BK got some. Also, I didn't tell you guys that BK is in town, baby. That's my sister again, BK. But yeah, you guys are gonna see her soon. Hers and his. No, I think it's his and hers. Sounds much better.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah.
Hi guys, it's a new day. It's race day, Kesana. I'm so excited. We're a bit late because Monday it's to 5 and we're supposed to leave at 4 because you're afraid of traffic here. But yo, excited, looking cutesy. Also, I'm using my back camera, so I hope I'm showing well. But yeah, hi. Oh, thank you. Yes, and this is the feet. Yeah. Thanks. Thank you. She's tired, guys. Dani, Dali.
Across the net, welcome home, sir.
We made it.
The continent, love it across the net.
We are done. And we are now at the mall with my sister. Hi, Koshi. We did it. I'm not sure.
I got my yellow shorts.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? So where's my phone?
It's a kitchen phone.
Oh,
Bekumnandi sidibene shukuthi baba yini ke.
kushuthi baba yini.
We are done for the day. So I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Babies, it's the next day after a race, and I ended up changing this dress because I realized that I would wanna use it the following day, yabo. So I ended up going to the beach just wearing my bikinis and a cover up kupela. But yo, let's enjoy the day. We're to see you at the beach.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me.
Hi guys, we are at the beach, Kesana. So, event for my sister is cancelled, and then we Namje, I look so cute. It's a beautiful day. It's just that it's so windy. Okay. It's just that it's so windy, guys. But again, we are here and we are cute. Yeah, that the weather is so aggressive, but oh my god. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, let's have fun.
I'ma make it my enemies. I got a pocket full of dreams, baby. I'm New York. Concrete jungle with dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Here is for New York, New York, New York. Wanna be a little bit secret. Big lights, big dreams, all looking pretty. No place in the world that they compare. Put your lighters in the air, everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. New York, concrete jungle with dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Here is for New York, New York, New
Guys, so we are finally done for today. Okay, maybe not for today, but for the beach section, and we're gonna go home now. This is my last beach. You guys already saw it, and I think it's hot. I think I've been sleeping on it for too long, but yeah, we're going to Uber and we're out of here.
Let me take a picture of the sunset.
Guys, we're getting our smoothies, and I'm realizing by the wind dealt with.
It's been a long day. It's been a beautiful day. We are back. We're having supper now. And yeah, we're gonna rest. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. And I'll just brief you on what's gonna be happening way too. So yeah.
Oh, in video. Oh, you guys can. Hi guys, welcome into a new day of the vlog. So it's after a beach day today, and right now we're going to V&A because my sister wants a smoothie. She's dramatic like that. But yeah, we're going to V&A, and then we might go for a boat ride, and then I don't know what else, but we'll see as the day progresses.
It's okay right here. It's okay right here. It's okay right. It's okay right here. It's okay right. Okay right here. It's okay right.
gets me overwhelmed. You when you smile at the crowd, hard to tell you don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. Na 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 na.
Period.
Na 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 na. You don't know you light up my world.
Oh my god, guys, it's getting real.
You flip your hair, gets me overwhelmed. Do when you smile at the ground, it and that's what makes you beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful.
Hi guys, welcome into the last part of the vlog. So right now we're just having a mini picnic too. Sipolile nje, and it's the last part as I'm saying, so you guys will just see a few clips, and if you enjoyed the vlog, please give it a big fat thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe, ni share please, and I'll see you on my next one. I love you.
For Mashalela.